proceed by how to find the domain and range of the function given an equation. Okay, what we're going to do? So we need to follow the rule. Okay, rule number 1. If the given equation is linear, okay, meaning the domain and range has no restriction. Or sa Tagalog daw po, kapag ang given na equation ay linear. What is a linear? Kapag ang exponent ng variable ay 1, that is a linear. Ibig sabihin daw po, ang domain at range ay walang restriction. Meaning, pwedeng lahat ng number, kahit anong number. So, example of linear is f of x is equal to negative 2x plus 4. What is the given variable? X. Tama po ba? And what is the exponent of x? 1. Therefore, that is a linear. Okay, kapag ang expression ay linear, sabi nga po, walang restriction sa domain and range. So, ano yung sasagot natin pag walang restriction? The domain is the set of all real numbers. Ito lang po yun. X such that x is the set of all real numbers. At ganun din po kay range. Range is y such that y is the set of all real numbers. Kailan po natin ginagamit yan? If the given expression is an example of linear. When we say linear, anong highest degree? 1. Naintindihan? Now, what if the exponent is 2 na? Anong tawag po natin dyan? Quadratic. Pag ang exponent ng variable ay 2, anong tawag po? Quadratic. Oh. We have a rule also. Sabi daw dyan, if the given equation has an exponent of 2, or if the given equation is an example of quadratic, okay, the domain is the set of all real numbers, meaning ang magiging domain natin ay ganyan pa rin. X such that x is the set of all real numbers. Sa range tayo maiiba. Okay, the range is greater than or equal to. Kapag daw ang variable natin dito ay positive, ang magiging inequality symbol ay greater than or equal to. Kapag naman daw negative, anong inequality symbol? Less than or equal to. O, same procedure. Ang gagawin lang, range is equal to y such that y. Anong symbol po ito? Anong sign? Positive. Therefore, the inequality symbol is what? Greater than or equal to. Then after that, you're going to copy the given constant. Anong number to? O, kokopyahin mo lang yan. Therefore, that is the range. Y such that y is greater than or equal to positive 2. Question. Okay, o, ganun din po dito. Example number 2. F of x is equal to negative x squared plus 2. The given is a quadratic. If yes, what is the domain? X such that x is the set of all real numbers. Do you understand? O ano magiging range natin yan? Y such that y, what is the sign? Therefore, the inequality symbol is less than or equal to. Then copy the number. Okay, positive 2. That is the range. Question. Another example. Okay, f of x is equal to x squared plus 16. Okay, step 1. The given is a quadratic? Yes. Okay, if yes, what is the domain? X. Oh, yes, anak. Stand up. Set. Very good. The domain is x such that x is the set of all real numbers. Now, what is the range? Anyone? Oh, yes, Agosto. Very good. Y such that y is greater than or equal to 16. Y. What is the sign here? Positive or negative? So, dahil positive, greater than or equal to, then copy the given constant, which is 16. Any question? O, sige. O, try to answer this one using your notebook. Okay, so we're going to find the domain and range of the given equation. F of x is equal to negative x squared minus 9. So, since our given is an example of quadratic, Okay, automatic, the domain has no restriction, meaning the domain is what? Okay, so anyone, Roberta? Okay, very good. The domain is X such that X is the elements of all real number. And then how to find the range? So to find the range, let us identify the sign of the first term. What is the sign? Okay, so since the sign is negative, so we're going to use what symbol? Less than or equal to. Then copy the given constant. What is the constant? Negative 9. Okay, another example. To find the domain and range of the given quadratic, okay, so since the given expression is already a quadratic, so therefore, the domain has no restriction. Meaning the domain is X such that X is the elements of all real number. Now, how to find the range? First, identify the sign of the first term, positive, negative. Okay, if positive, what is the inequality symbol? Greater than or equal to. Then copy the given constant. Negative 5. Okay, you got the correct answer.